Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to remove credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find security and biometrics. Now let's scroll down to find encryption and credentials, and here at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.